What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a bottle rocket launcher. Let's get right into the video. So what you want to do is put a little water in here. Put your bottle cap on that has a little hole in it. Like, use a drill so the hole is more seal tight. And you want to drill a hole that will fit snug so it stays on, but the pressure will build and it'll shoot off. So you put the nozzle on the bike pump, and then you put the nozzle into the hole just a little bit, and then pump it up, hold it up like this, pump it up, and it'll shoot off. And if you want, you could add a cone to the top and some fins. So I put a little water in here, and then I just built this base, this plywood, so it wouldn't hit me. And then you just pump it.